This Pasatiempo model home sits on the golf course at Copper River Ranch and is for sale now. This home has so many incredible features and upgrades that you're gonna love. Come check it out. As you step through this beautiful wrought iron front door, the first thing you'll notice is this gorgeous dark hardwood flooring that you'll find throughout the common areas. And you'll notice this library to the right that you can use as a gathering space or an office space. And as you move down towards this open concept living space, check out this incredible gourmet kitchen that features exotic granite countertops, two-tone cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a beautiful tile backsplash, a 5-burner gas cooktop, under cabinet lighting, and a large walk-in pantry. And one of the unique features of this kitchen is this additional wine refrigerator that comes with additional storage and counter space. And check out this amazing dining area that you can use to host all of your favorite gatherings. And you're just steps away from this open great room that includes upgraded cabinets, a fireplace, and a 12-foot sliding door to give tons of natural light overlooking the beautiful Copper River Golf Course. Follow me into the master bedroom. This spacious bedroom features private access to the back patio and is just steps away from this large master bathroom that features quartz countertops, dark cabinets, a tiled-in tub, a walk-in shower, and my favorite part, this large walk-in closet. This Pasatiempo model home is for sale now and sits on the golf course at Copper River Ranch. This home has 2 more bedrooms, a full bath, and a powder bath. And that's not all. This home includes tons of features and upgrades, including hardwood flooring, crown molding, backyard and front yard landscaping, and so much more. Visit our Copper River sales office for more information or visit gvhomes.com.